How to add PayPal payments to Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add PayPal payments to Shopify. Now, PayPal is one of the world's most trusted and easiest ways to accept payments, and PayPal can easily be integrated into Shopify with some of the lowest transactional fees and easy accessibility. PayPal is available in most regions and can ensure a level of trust and build more trust within your Shopify store when you are processing payments via PayPal. So for this, you're going to need your Shopify store and you're going to need your PayPal account. So you want to log into your PayPal account like so. And once you do that, you can just verify your PayPal account and then proceed. Now, when you are in Shopify, to connect your PayPal account or your PayPal payment system onto Shopify, first off, you're going to log onto your Shopify store dashboard. And in your dashboard, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, you are going to proceed by clicking on Payments on the left menu. Once you click on Payments over here, you will see different payments that you can link, including Shopify Payments and PayPal. So if you scroll down, you will see in your supported payment methods, it's going to recommend PayPal. You can even click on Add Payment Method and simply search for PayPal as well to find PayPal. You can even search by provider and search for a specific provider if you want to go with one specific provider. But we're going to go directly into PayPal, and they have a 2% transactional fee, which I'm going to click on Activate. Once you click on Activate over here, you have to connect your PayPal account to Shopify. So click on Activate over here. Once you click on Activate, a new tab is going to open up. And once your new tab opens up, you're going to have to continue your sign up or your login. So whatever email address you have, you're going to proceed over here. And once you do that, you're going to click on Login, click on Next over here. And you have to follow a couple of simple steps to verify your login. For us, we're going to have to do a QR code scan. And once we proceed with our QR code scan, we would have to just verify a couple of things. Sometimes you might get an email verification to ensure that your PayPal is being connected properly. So on my other device, I'm going to have to verify that we are logging on to Shopify by ourselves. And for that, I'm just going to complete my login information. And once I proceed, I'm just going to wait and I'm going to get a verification email. So we're going to get a verification email and I'm just going to type in my email code like so and then click on submit. Once we do that, this is going to wait for the full confirmation so that our PayPal account can be integrated or linked or can accept payments from our Shopify store. And then it's really easy to withdraw money from PayPal onto your own bank account. So we're just going to wait for this entire verification to be completed. So the next step is to scan your photo ID and then scan your face to verify your photo ID. So I'm just going to complete these steps, and once you have completed these steps, if you go back into Shopify and go into your settings over here, go into your payments, you're going to see your PayPal is going to be activated. Now, when your PayPal is activated, another really important thing that a lot of people don't realize is that you can actually use multiple different payment providers simultaneously. So if you are using PayPal and you want to also accept payments via other payment processing tools such as Klarna, or such as a debit card, a credit card, or manual payment methods, you can also activate those. So once you have activated PayPal by following the previous steps, you can proceed on to the next step, which is going to be going into your settings, and you're going to go ahead, go into payments. Once you go into payments, you can see Shopify Payments. So you can click on See All Providers to see some of the third-party providers. You have quite a few different payment providers available. Shopify provides you with quite a large inventory. And you can even set up a Bogus Gateway just to test out your overall checkout system or just to check if your checkout is working smoothly, how it's going to look like in an approved transaction, in a declined transaction, or in a gateway failure. All these options enable you to ensure that the overall performance of your Shopify store is done very well and you are able to have a smooth setup. So if you're looking to set up other payment methods, go into payments. Let's say I want to use the default payment method of Shopify, which is Shopify Payments. So I'm going to click on Activate Shopify Payments. Once I do that, we're going to have to submit information about our business, including the authorized representatives as well as, compliance with the law. Then you also have to ensure that the information is correct and accurate, and the person that's filling out is either, someone that is significantly tied to the business. Then you have 2FA that you have to complete, and then to start receiving your payouts, you're going to have to add your bank account. So you're going to click on Submit Details over here, which is the first step of getting your other payment processes set up. If you're an individual, registered business, or nonprofit. Then after that, you're going to add your first name, last name, job role, residential address, as well as phone number. All of these fields are mandatory, and then you can proceed with the rest of your details. Additionally, if you have already chosen another payment processing tool such as Add-in Payments or any other tool such as Klarna, or if you're looking for a specific type of payment that you want to provide for your users, you can even search by that type of payment. So you guys can see we have a manual payment method, but we're going to click on over here and we are going to click on Add Payment Method. And let's say I am looking for Klarna. So I can just search for Klarna and see all of the different ways that I can include Klarna in my checkout process. So you can choose any one of these which fits best, which has the lowest transactional fees ideally. And if I want to maybe include Gcash, so I can search for all the payment processing tools that have both of these. Let's say I'm looking for CowPay and I'm also looking for Afterpay. And now I can see all the different payment processors that are providing me with all these options. So you can actually integrate multiple different payment methods all in one. And we have Laybuy powered by PayPal as well, so we can add that as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.